Okay, we have number 11. First thing I want to do on number 11 is get rid of this parentheses. So I'm going to rewrite the problem and get rid of that parentheses. So 4x to the negative 2, y to the 4, 8x to the third, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So I have this. Now that I'm going to rewrite it without any negative exponents. So 4 and 8, the x to the negative 2 goes to the bottom, the y to the 4 stays on top, the x to the third stays on the bottom, it's a positive exponent, the y to the negative 6 will go to the top, it's a positive. Now I don't have any negative exponents. Now then I'm going to write my answer. 4 over 8 is going to be 1/2. So I'm not going to put the 1 up here because it's going to go away, because anything multiplied by 1 is the same. The y's are all on the top. I'm going to add it by exponent, get 10. And then the x's are all on the bottom. Add up the exponents, get 5. So y to the 10th over 2x to the 5 is the answer. Okay, number 12. This negative exponent goes to the 3, or the negative sign, the 2, the fraction, the 3, and the y. Okay. I don't know why they made that a fraction exponent. Okay, so we're going to, 3 negatives makes a negative. Draw a fraction bar. 2 to the negative 3. This is going to be x. And then 1/6 times negative 3 is going to be a negative 1/2. And then 3 to the negative 3. And then y. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So I just distributed that negative 3 to the negative, the 2, the x, the 3, and the y. Okay, now then I'm going to go over here, keep my answer as negative, draw a fraction bar. These 2's will go to the bottom, and I'm just going to show the steps here. These 3's will go to the top. The x to the negative 1/2 goes to the bottom. When you do that, you change it to a positive, and the y to the 12 goes to the top. Now then I need to get rid of my exponents, so I'm going to have negative. 3 to the third is 27, 2 to the third is 8, and the y to the 12 and the x to the 1/2 stay put. And that is the answer.